Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Code with Santosh. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the audio and video tags. So audio and video tags are mostly used in a website so that you can use any kind of audio or video into your web page. Okay. So HTML5 now supports audio and video tags. These are newly introduced in HTML5. So let me try to discuss what is audio tag and what is video tag. So audio tag contains one or more sources of tags. Okay. So let me try to write audio tag first. This is your audio tag, and inside audio there is a source element. Okay. So this is audio, and as you can see that audio has also opening and closing tag. Okay. So here it starts and here it ends. And in the audio tag you can see that there is source element is also there, but source doesn't have any closing tags here. Okay. So here source, these are two mainly attributes are present in source, which is src, and second one is type. So src tells you that you need to mention the file name along with its path here, okay, in src attribute. And in type you need to mention the audio format you are using. Okay, so let me try to we have one audio at the moment, so we can try to use that. So my folder name is media, so I'll write media, and the audio name is audio dot mp3. Okay, this is my audio, and type I will write as audio slash mp3. So this is the format of my audio. Okay, and this is the name of my audio file, and this is the folder which contains this file. So this is src contains the path of your um, audio file. Okay, and one more thing we just need to mention here, that let me write it first. Your browser does not support audio file. Suppose if your source, the type of audio you are using, if the browser does not support that, then this message will show to the user on the browser. But if it is like if this audio file is supported by your browser, then it won't show this message into the browser. Okay, so let me try to save this and run this on the browser so that you can see. I think there is some mistake, that's why it is not showing. Okay, let me go to media, and it is audio.mp3. Media audio.mp3, and let me add controls here. Okay, now you can see your audio. So we need to add this attribute to audio tag. So control specifies that your audio file has these controls buttons, like it can start, you can play it, and you can pause it. So these controls are there, that's why this control attributes we have added to audio tag. Okay, so this is your audio tag, but you can see that this message is not showing in a browser because this file format is supported for this browser. That's why this message is not displaying there. So you can add multiple formats here, like you can add this, and then you can add another file. Suppose if you have OGG format, and you can change this to OGG. So if that format is there, suppose this MP3 file format is not supported by the browser, then you have added another option of OGG. Suppose if the browser does not support this audio MP3 format, then it will go to next source and gets this audio format, okay, this file and this format. So if this is not supported by your browser, then it will try to show this audio file on the browser, okay. And if it also does not support, then it will show this message. So it shows the first file which is supported by the browser, okay. So this is your audio tag. So let me save this because we don't have this audio.ogg format file at the moment with us. So I will remove this. I just wanted to show you that how does this work. Okay. So let me save and refresh. We can see that audio file. Okay. So there are few types of audio which are supported by the Maximum browser. So these audio types are like OGG and MP3 and WAV format. So these are the three formats which are supported by HTML. Okay, so you can use any of these type of audio files into your web page. Okay, so this is about the audio file. We have added some audio attributes here. So let me try to copy and paste it here so that you can see which are the attributes which are supported by audio tag. Okay, so these are few important attributes which audio file has. Okay, so autoplay, I will discuss each and every attributes of the audio. So first one, let's go to controls. What does this control does? Okay, so control actually, as I have already mentioned, that controls provide you these buttons. Okay, so that you can play the audio, you can pause the audio, you can mute it, you can just move ahead few seconds, or you can go back to initial state. So for this purpose, this control attribute is there. Okay, so if control is not there, you can see that the audio was not swing. Okay, so control is very important to pause your audio, to play the audio. Okay, so this is one attribute, and second attribute is autoplay. As the name suggests, that it can be used like when your browser loads, when your audio file gets loaded, it starts playing automatically. So user doesn't require to play or pause the audio, it will start automatically. That's why this autoplay tag is autoplay attribute is there. Okay, so we have discussed the controls. And loop is also an attribute which added to audio tag, and it tries to loop your audio file. So once it finishes, it starts from the beginning once again. So it keeps in that loop until you close your browser. Okay, so that's why this loop attribute is also there. Muted means when your browser your audio will be muted. Okay, as this name suggests. Preload is a kind of attribute which tells how the audio should be loaded when the page loads. Okay, so you can define it how your audio will get loaded when this page renders on the browser. And this last item is SRC. So SRC, we have already discussed that SRC tells you the path of that particular MP3 file. Okay, so let me try to play this so that you can see that it is working properly. You can see, we can pause this. Okay, so this is how the audio file works. So you can use this audio file into your web page. Okay, and that's all for audio. And next we have Let me remove this first. We have another item which is video tag. Okay, so audio and videos are both for media, so that you can include media into your website. So let me try to write the tag for video as well. So this is video tag, and it will look like same as audio tag. So let me write the source here as well. Here I will again uh, add the path of our video file, that is mp4 format. Okay, let me add video and mp4. Sorry for the spelling. This is our video file. Same way we can add controls here. Okay, let me save this and run on the browser so that we can see if there is any. You can see that this video file is now rendered into our HTML page. Okay, so this is the same like the same attributes are there for video as well. Like you can see the controls, it has another element which is source. Here also you can add that message, like this message or whatever message you want to show to the user, so that he can understand that his browser is not supporting audio or video file format. So you can change this to video. Okay, so suppose if this video file is not supported by your browser, then this message will get displayed to the user, so that user can understand that. Okay, so same way source file is there, type is here, type attribute, so that you can define your video types. Okay, whatever type you are using there. So this is about the video tag. I have also listed some attributes of video tag. So I will just copy and paste it here so that you can see it properly along with the HTML part. So these are the video attributes. Okay. So autoplay we have already discussed in the audio. So it plays automatically after it finishes the first round of video play. Okay. And second one is controls, which we have already used in our video tag. Third one is height. So let me try to write, sorry, let me give some height to this video. So I will give it to say 120 pixel only. Sorry. And I will also give width. So I will make it 120 as well. Okay. Let me cut this. You can see that now video size is 120 pixel height and 120 pixel width. Okay, so width and height also can be used in video tag, and other tags are like width, height we have already discussed. Loop is same as audio file, so it starts from the beginning once again. So once if it finishes one video, then it is goes to starting of that part, that video, and starts along with from the beginning. Okay, so this is about the loop. Muted is there will be no sound when video plays on your browser. So poster is one important thing. Okay, so let me describe it a little bit more. So poster is actually you can use any sort of images. Okay, so when your page loads, it takes some time to load your video, because video files are comparatively more heavier. Okay, so it takes some time to load that particular video, but till the time video loads, this will poster will contain some image. Okay, so it will try to show the images while videos are loading. Okay, so this way it is very helpful, so that user can feel that the video is about to come. so that the image is there. Otherwise it will look blank while video or your page is loading. So this way, and this poster is very important. And one way, one another way is there, so that you can use it. So suppose if you want that once user clicks on the video, then only video plays, then you can also use this poster. And once this the user clicks on this poster, then the video gets start or gets playing. Okay, so that can also, you can use it in your web page. Preload, we have already discussed for the audio part. So preload is same here as well, and it tells that how you can, how you want to load that particular video. And SRC is same as we have discussed earlier, and this is also here as well. So this is mainly the path of that video. Okay, so let me remove this part. And I just also want to tell you a few more things, like video. All this video tag also supports few formats, like it supports MP4 format, which we have already used here. It also supports WebM format, WebM, okay, and it also supports OGG. So there are three formats which supports this HTML video format, HTML. So HTML mainly supports three video formats, which is MP4, WebM, and OGG. Okay. Let me play this video. First, let me remove this width and height, so it gets to its original height and width. Okay, so if I play this, you can see that video is playing. You can pause it, you can mute it. Okay, so all these things are there based on this control attribute. Okay, so that's all for audio and video part. If you have any question regarding this audio and video, or if you have any suggestion which should be included in our upcoming videos, you can mention that part into comment section, and I will definitely try to integrate that part into our next videos. Okay, that's all for this audio and video. Before moving forward, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. It will give me a huge motivation to create such videos. Thanks for watching. I will meet you again in our next chapter. Bye bye.